Does the prosecutor have to tell your attorney if their main witness against you is no longer cooperative or if the main witness has passed away? Surprisingly, the answer to this question is no. The prosecutor is under no obligation to tell you or your attorney whether or not they have a cooperative witness and whether or not the witness against you has passed away or is somehow no longer available to the prosecution. Why? Well, the obligation does not fall under the prosecutor's Brady obligations, meaning under Brady, the prosecutor does have an affirmative duty to disclose evidence that is favorable to the defense, whether or not it impacts the sentencing or if it's somehow exculpatory. So under Brady, the prosecutor has an affirmative obligation to give your attorney exculpatory evidence and also evidence that may impact sentencing. What does not fall under Brady is telling the defense if the prosecutor's way of proving the case has changed. There's no affirmative duty on the prosecution to tell you or your attorney that the prosecutor no longer has a good case at trial. So if they lose their witness, that is not something that they have to affirmatively disclose to the defense. Now, it's on your defense attorney to attempt to figure out what's going on. If there's no protective order, if there's nothing prohibiting your attorney from doing this, they should be going out, they should be having an investigator try to reach out to potential witnesses to see if they can get some sort of sense of, are they cooperating? Are they not cooperating? Is everything going well? But ultimately, it's not on the prosecutor to tell your attorney whether or not they have the main witness, whether or not they have the eyewitness, because it does not implicate Brady. It just implicates how does the prosecutor prove their case against you.